Hello, today I want to show you how to make a video go backward in Capcut. First, open Capcut. Once it's open, let's see how we can make the video reverse. To do this, drag and drop the video here. Under the timeline, when your video is on it, let's first see how the video looks without any changes. So, I'll play the video as it is. Now let's see how we can make it go backward. You'll find a reverse button here. Click on it. After clicking, the process of reversing will start. In a short time, your reversed video will start playing. Let's see how it changed our video. Let's play it. Ta-da! Our video has been reversed. That's how you reverse a video in Capcut. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.